So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the bikes that come under the budget of 25k. We are going to talk about mountain bikes, road bikes, hybrid bikes, and many bikes from the different brands like Firefox, Montra, Chanel, Suncross. So I think we should start the video without wasting any time. वाइल सिलेक्टिंग अ बाइक हम हमेशा कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं ब्रांड्स को लेकर, उनकी गियर सेट को लेकर, उनका फ्रेम को, मटेरियल को लेकर। बट इस वीडियो में मैंने थोड़ा उसको सिंपल किया। मैंने ब्रांड वाइज हर बाइक को अलग अलग कैटेगरी की है। जैसे पहले हम फायरफॉक्स को देखेंगे, देन मोन्ट्रा, देन बी ट्विन। सो हम अलग अलग ब्रांड्स को देखेंगे और उनमें देखेंगे कि हमें क्या क्या फीचर्स मिलते हैं, किस प्राइस रेंज में मिलते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फायरफॉक्स ब्रांड। एंड बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द फायरफॉक्स बाइक्स, मेरे को आपको एक छोटी सी बात बतानी है। जो एक फायरफॉक्स में काफी चेंज आया, उन्होंने अपना जो गियर सेट है वो शिमानो से माइक्रोशिफ्ट में चेंज कर लिया है। तो मैं वीडियो में आपको ऐसे बताऊंगा दैट वी हैव शिमानो टॉर्नी और वी हैव माइक्रोशिफ्ट गियर सेट। सो आपको कंफ्यूज नहीं होना वहाँ पर, क्योंकि हमें दो गियर सेट की ऑप्शन मिलती है। कहीं कहीं जो आउटलेट्स हैं इस ब्रांड के, वहाँ पर हमें शिमानो टॉर्नी मिलता है या फिर शिमानो एसेरा या फिर शिमानो के गियर सेट मिलते हैं। बट कई कई जगह पर ऐसा है जहाँ पर हमें माइक्रोशिफ्ट मिलना शुरू हो गया है। सो आपको कंफ्यूज नहीं होना। अगर आपके पास जो आपका नियरेस्ट स्टोर होगा फायरफॉक्स का, आपको वहाँ पर पूछ लेना है कि मुझे शिमानो गियर सेट मिल रहा है या माइक्रोशिफ्ट। यूज़ करने में दोनों इक्वली इफेक्टिव हैं, दोनों इक्वली स्मूथ और इक्वली अच्छे हैं। सो आपको जो भी गियर सेट मिल रहा हो, that is good enough. So let's talk about our first bike of the video, that is Firefox Fusion 29D.
So here is our first bike from Firefox, that is Fusion 29D. This bike comes for around 21,000. We get two color options, that is orange and blue. We get two frame size options, that is 17.5 inches and 19 inches. The material of the frame is steel. The wheel size is 29 inches and the tires used are Vanda tires. The rims are double wall alloy rims with 36 hole. We get front suspension, that is from Zoom, and the available travel is 50 mm. The gear shifters are from Shimano Altus EF 500 3x7 speed, or we get gear shifters that are Microshift TS38 3x7 speed. The front derailleur is from Shimano Tourney TY 500 or Microshift M20. The rear derailleur is from Shimano Tourney TY 300B or Microshift M21S. The pedals are of plastic material. The seat, post, handlebar are all of steel, but the stem is of alloy from the company Zoom. The brake set is disc brakes.
So our next bike is Firefox Creed 27.5D.
So here is our next bike, that is Creed 27.5D. This bike comes for around 20k. We get one color option, that is grey. The frame size is of 17 inches and 18.5 inches. The material of the frame is steel. The front fork suspension is from Zoom suspension that can travel 80 mm. The wheels used are alloy 36 double wall alloy rims, and the tires are Vanda tires that are of 27.5 inches size. The shifters are from Shimano Altus EF 500 3x7 speed or Microshift TS 38 3x7 speed. The front derailleur is from Shimano TY 500 or Microshift FD M20. The rear derailleur is also from Shimano TY 500D or Microshift RD M21L. Seat, post, handlebar are of steel and the stem is of alloy. The brake set is from Jack 7 mechanical disc brakes. The overall look of this bike is really great, but this have one disadvantage, that the weight of the bike is around 18 kgs. So it is kind of heavy bike, but if you are beginner then you can go for this one.
And here is my favorite hybrid bike, that is Rapid 21S.
Firefox Rapid comes for around 23k. We get two color options, that is grey and red. The size option available are 18 inches, 19.5 inches and 21 inches. The material of the frame is alloy. The front suspension is rigid. The wheels are double wall alloy rims and tires are of 700x35C. We get shifters from Shimano Altus EF 500 3x7 speed or Microshift TS 38 3x7 speed. The front derailleur is from Shimano Tourney TY 510 or Microshift M22. The rear derailleur is from Shimano Tourney TY 500D or Microshift M21L. Seat, post, handlebar are of steel. The stem is of Zoom company, that is alloy Zoom. The brake set is of alloy V brake set that has Shimano EF 500 levers. We get pedals of steel. The saddle of the bike is really comfortable.
And good to know stuff is that Firefox की after service is really great. सो अगर आप एक फायरफॉक्स की बाइक लो तो आपको 2-3 साल तक बिल्कुल उसकी चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं, क्योंकि जो उनका स्टोर होता है, जो उनका आउटलेट होता है, काफ़ी अच्छी आफ्टर सर्विस देते हैं। वो आपको गाइड कर देते हैं कि आपकी बाइक में ये प्रॉब्लम है, आप ये ठीक करवा सकते हो या इसको आप इसे यूज़ करो। So Firefox after service is really great. So now we will talk about our next bike, that is also hybrid bike, that is Firefox Roadrunner Pro D.
Firefox Roadrunner Pro D comes for around 25.2k. We get two color options, that is red and grey. The sizes available in this bike are 18 inches, 19.5 inches and 21 inches, same as that of Firefox Rapid. The frame of the bike is of alloy. The front suspension is from the company Zoom alloy suspension fork that can travel around 40 mm. The wheels are double wall alloy hub rims and tires are from company Vanda 700x35C. The shifters are from Shimano Altus EF500 3x7 speed or Microshift TS38 3x7 speed. The front trailer is from Shimano Tourney TY510 or Microshift M22. The rear derailleur is from Shimano Acera M360 or Microshift M21L. The pedals are from the company Valgo. The seat post handlebar are of material steel. The stem is of Zoom alloy adjustable. The brake set is Tektro mechanical disc brakes with Shimano levers. The grips are really comfortable and are from company HL.
So our next bike is a MTB, that is Firefox Firestorm 27.5D.
Firefox Firestorm 27.5D comes for around 25k. The frame size options are 17 inches, 18.5 inches and 19.5 inches. The material of the frame is alloy. The front suspension is alloy suspension fork. We get wheels with double wall alloy 36 hub rims. The tires are Kenda 27.5 into 2 inches size. The shifters are from Microshift TS38 3x8 speed. The front derailleur is Microshift FD M20. The rear derailleur is Microshift RD M25. The pedals are of alloy cage, so they are of lightweight and long durability. Seat post, handlebar and stem all are of alloy. So this bike is really light in weight. The brake set is from Jack 7 mechanical disc brakes.
So these were my favorite brand Firefox bikes. Now we will talk about the Montra bikes. So the first Montra bike is Montra Madrock.
Montra Madrock 29T comes for around 22.8k. The material of the frame is aluminium alloy. The bike comes with disc brakes at both front as well as at the rear. The front suspension is from the company Zoom with 60 mm travel. The gear shifters are from Shimano SDEF500 or Microshift TS38 3x7 speed. The front derailleur is from Shimano FD-TY500 or Microshift FD M20 3-speed derailleur. The rear derailleur is from Shimano Tourney and Microshift RD M21L. The rims of the bike are from the company XMR. They are double wall alloy rims. The tires are from the company Maxxis Addernet 29 into 2.4 inches size. The pedals are from company Nico that have resin body and cage. They provide really good grip while on off-roading. We get disc brakes, as I said before. They are of company Lagon with 160 mm rotors. The brake levers are from Shimano SDEF500 integrated levers. The handlebar and stem are of XMR company. The saddle is also of XMR trail saddle with high density foam that provides a really comfortable ride.
This was a really great bike. So our next bike is Montra Backbeat 29D.
Montra Backbeat 29T comes for around 24k. The material of the frame is 6061 aluminium alloy. The front fork suspension is from the company Zoom with mechanical lockout and 60 mm travel. The shifters are from Shimano SDEF500 EZ Fire Plus or Microshift TS38 3x7 speed. The front derailleur is from Shimano FD-TY500 or Microshift FD M20 3-speed derailleur. The rear derailleur is from Shimano Tourney RD TY500 or Microshift RD M21L of 7-speed derailleur. We get rims from XMR company that are double wall alloy rims with 36 hub rim. The tires are from company Maxxis. They are of 27.5 into 2.4 inches. The pedals are from company Nico, same as that of Madrock. We get mechanical disc brakes in this bike that are 160 mm rotors from the company Lagon. The brake levers are from Shimano SDEF500 integrated levers. Handlebar and stem are of XMR company. The saddle is also from XMR company, that is XMR Trail Saddle, high density foam that provides a really good grip and gives a really comfortable ride. The grips are also from XMR company and they are of really good quality. The seat post is of steel. So overall this bike is lightweight.
So here we have my favorite category, that is the hybrid bike category. So here we have the next bike, that is a hybrid bike, Montra Terence Pro D.
Montra Terence Pro comes for around 24k. The material of the frame is 6061 aluminum alloy. The shifters are from Shimano SD EF500 EZ Fire Plus or Microshift TS38 3x8 speed. The front derailleur is from Shimano FD TX800 or Microshift FD M20. The rear derailleur is also from Shimano Torni, and other option is Microshift RD M21L. We get 3 gears at front and 8 at the rear. The rims are from Examar company, that are Examar 700C double wall alloy rims. The tire size is 700x35C. The pedals are from Nico with resin body and alloy cage that gives a really good grip. The brakes are mechanical disc brakes with 160mm routers, and they are from Lagon brand. The brake levers are from Shimano as well, they are Shimano integrated levers. The handlebar and stem are of Examar company. The saddle is also from Examar, that is Examar Saddle Comfort with high density foam. The grips are also from Examar.
So these were the bike from the brand Montra. Now we will shift to the B-twin bikes. So in B-twin bike I have selected 2 bikes, that is RC100 Triton. इसमें हमें रोड बाइक भी मिलती है, एक फ्लैट बार बाइक भी मिलती है. रोड बाइक में हमें ड्रॉप हैंडल बार मिलेगा एंड फ्लैट बाइक में हमें फ्लैट हैंडल बार मिलेगा. सो ये बाइक बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली सेम है, फीचर दोनों के बिल्कुल सेम है. तो मैं आपको RC100 रोड बाइक के फीचर बताऊंगा एंड द सेम आर फॉर द RC100 फ्लैट बाइक.
The cost of the bike is around 23k and आपको ये बाइक मिलेगी in 2 colors, that is grey and blue. The weight of the bike is around 11.3 kgs without pedals, and with pedals it weighed around 11.8. आपको इस बाइक में मिलेगा frame of aluminium and the fork is of steel. This is a 7-speed bike and आपको मिलेगा Shimano Torni at the rear. The gear shifter that you get in this bike are Shimano A050 indexed gear shifters on the handlebar. हमें इस बाइक में मिलेंगे 700x32C tires, and these type of tires are mostly seen in hybrid bikes. The geometry of the bike is really comfortable for beginners and the look of the bike is quite simple.
So these were the feature of RC100 Triton road bike. जैसा कि मैंने कहा कि सेम होगी फॉर द फ्लैट बाइक. एंड हमें B-twin में एक और अच्छी बाइक मिलती है, दैट इज ST100 रॉक राइडर. उसके जो फीचर्स हैं काफ़ी अच्छे हैं. वो अगर आप एक माउंटेन बाइक लेना चाहते हो, आप एक बिगिनर हो, सो यू कैन चेक आउट दैट बाइक. उसको मैंने शायद अंडर 20 के जो लिस्ट मैंने बनाई थी, अंडर साइकिल्स अंडर 20K, उस वीडियो में भी इंक्लूड किया था, तो आप वो वीडियो चेकआउट कर सकते हो. सो दीज वर द B-twin बाइक्स. नाउ वी विल शिफ्ट टू द फिट ट्रिप. सो द बाइक फ्रॉम फिट ट्रिप इज फिट ट्रिप वाइपर RS.
Fit Trip Viper RS comes for around 16.9k for 29 inch and 16.5k for 27.5 inches frame size, or you can say the wheel size. The material of the frame is aluminium alloy 6061. The front fork has suspension with 100mm travel and lockout system. The wheel sizes available are 27.5 inch and 29 inch, and the frame size available in 27.5 inch are 16 inch and 18 inch. In 29 inch we have 18 inch and 20 inch. The tires are from company Kenda. The brakes used are Tektro-Mek double disc brakes with 160mm rotor. The front derailleur is from Shimano Torni and the rear derailleur is from Shimano Acera. The shifters used are Shimano TX800, that are 8x3 speed shifters. The saddles used is Selle Royal Performance saddle. The pedals are from the company Nico. The grips are MTB palm grips. The overall look of this bike is really great. It comes in a color of yellow and black with minimal graphics matching with the saddle color.
फिट ट्रिप से मैंने सिर्फ एक ही बाइक सेलेक्ट की, क्योंकि फिट ट्रिप स्नाइपर को मैंने अपनी जो पुरानी एक लिस्ट थी, दैट इज अंडर 15K, उसमें इंक्लूड कर लिया था. सो इन दिस लिस्ट आई ओनली हैव वन फिट ट्रिप बाइक. सो द नेक्स्ट बाइक इज फ्रॉम Chanel, दैट इज Chanel Holt 009.
Chanel Holt's 009 comes for around 24.2k. We have 2 sizes option, that is 27.5 inches and 29 inches. The material of the frame is alloy. The gear set we get in this bike are Shimano Torni at both front as well as at the rear. The gear shifters are from Shimano Altus. The wheel size is 27.5 into 2.1 inches and 29 into 2.1 inches. The frame size is 18 inches. The rims are of alloy rims with double wall alloy hub. We get suspension at the front fork. The brakes are dual disc brakes at both front as well as at the rear. We get quick release on both the wheels. We get handle stem from RMX, that is really durable.
This is a really great MTB. अब हम नेक्स्ट बाइक की तरफ चलते हैं, दैट इज हाइब्रिड बाइक, दैट इज Chanel Sera.
Chanel Sierra 700C comes for around 25.9k. The frame size of the bike is around 19 inches and material used is alloy. The rims are double wall alloy rims. The wheel size is 700x35C. The gear shifters are from Shimano Altus and great derailleurs are from Shimano Tourney. We get dual disc brakes at both front as well as at the rear. We get quick releases on both the wheels in front as well as at the rear. We get suspension fork at the front, which is rarely seen in any hybrid bike in this price range. We get handlebar stem that is adjustable from the brand Zoom. The wheels are from company Kenda. The pedals are of plastic. The seat post is from the brand XMR.
Chanel is a Indian brand. ये पुणे में बेस्ड है, तो काफ़ी अच्छा ब्रांड है। इसकी मैंने एक बाइक को राइड भी किया था, दैट इज Chanel Cope, और Chanel सिग्नेचर सीरीज साइकिल, दैट इज़ ए हाइब्रिड बाइक। आप उसके दोनों के रिव्यू चेक कर सकते हो। ये बाइक्स काफ़ी अच्छी होती हैं। दिस ब्रांड इज़ रियली गुड। ये काफ़ी इंप्रूव हो रहा है डे बाय डे। सो आई थिंक Chanel गोना बी द नेक्स्ट बेस्ट ब्रांड जो इंडिया का एक बेस्ट ब्रांड होगा। These were the Chanel cycle. Now we'll go to the Raleigh cycles. In Raleigh cycle we have the first bike, that is Raleigh Misco 2.0.
Raleigh Misco 2.0 comes for around 24.6k. The material of the frame is light alloy 6061. We get suspension fork at the front with a lockout system. The pedals are of PVC. The front derailleur is Shimano Tourney FZ and rear derailleur is Shimano Altus RDM 310. The shifters used are Shimano SD EF500 3x7 speed gears. The rims are double wall alloy rim with 36 hub rims. The tires used are Kenda tires that are of 27.5 into 2.35 size. The brake set is mechanical disc brake. The saddle of the bike is of PU foam and it is really comfortable to ride. The grips used are soft rubber compound grips that are good for long rides as well. We get quick release at both the wheels in front and rear.
So the next bike from Raleigh is Raleigh Moonraker.
Raleigh Moonraker 27.5 Altus comes for around 25k. The frame of the bike is of light alloy 6061 with internal cable routing. The front fork is Raleigh suspension fork with lockout system. The pedals are of PVC. The front derailleur is Shimano Tourney FZ and rear derailleur is Shimano Altus. The shifters are Shimano SF EF500 3x7 speed shifters. The rims are Raleigh double wall alloy with 36 hub rims. The tires used are Maxxis 27.5 into 2.1 inches wheels. The brake set is mechanical disc brake. The grips are soft rubber compound with smaller dia. The saddle is PU foam and the handlebar is Raleigh steel. The overall weight of this bike is around 15 to 16 kgs.
And here comes our last bike of the video, that is Cross Impel.
Cross Impel comes for around 23.6k. The material of the frame is aluminium. We get quick release at both the wheels and we have suspension fork at front with lockout system. We get alloy rims. The tire size is 27.5 inches and the tire company is Kenda. We get 19-inch frame size. The brakes used are double disc brakes. We get gear set from the Shimano Tourney. The gear shifters used are from also Shimano Tourney. We have 3x8 gear system. The bike looks quite premium and the looks of the bike are really good.
So these 16 cycles are really great in this budget range. अगर आपने इनमें से कोई भी select कर लियो, so comment down below कि आपने कौन सी select की है. So this was it for the video. I hope you like it. If you do, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.